I purchased a used vehicle with only one key. I got a replacement key, however, it's not programmed. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to program this in under 5 minutes. And the best part is, I'm going to save over $300. Now, most dealers want you to think that only they can program keys for your vehicle. So they'll tell you that they need a key that has a Toyota logo on the back. So instead of paying maybe 25 or 50 bucks for the key, you'll have to spend sometimes $200. Then you're going to have to fork over a lot of money to go and get the programming done. It's going to take hours of your time. You're going to have to produce ID, and it's honestly a hassle. Instead, we're going to do this in 5 minutes and prove the dealer is wrong once and for all. And this will work for about 95% of vehicles. And you may already own the scan tool that can go ahead and do this. So I'll show you guys the feature that you need to look for. And if you don't happen to have one of these scan tools, don't worry, I have you guys covered, and I'll recommend a scan tool that comes with lifetime updates that does so much more than key programming, as I'm about to use it to go fix my check engine light as well. And I go and pair that scan tool with super AI, and it does some pretty amazing things. So instead of having to play the guessing game with my vehicle, it normally narrows it down just to 2 problems. Now let's prove these dealers wrong and save you some cash. We got the new key that needs to be programmed. This is not a Toyota key. It's just something that you can buy off eBay, Amazon, or even Walmart. You do need a scan tool plugged in. You have to make sure the ignition's on. And the scan tool has to support this anti-theft key matching. We got both the remotes here. And let's start. We're in maintenance. Key matching. Less than 3 minutes and 25 seconds, guys. Super easy, and I just saved myself $300. But the sad part is, I still need to go and get this key cut. This is how easy it is. Nothing complicated. You do not have to be an expert. These scan tools will walk you through everything. Pretty amazing. Go walk out of the car with this, please. Go over there. My son is completely out of the car with the other key. Again. There you go. The key is working. It was under 5 minutes, and the best part is I got to share it with you guys. So I'll leave you guys a video on my favorite scan tool that comes with our lifetime updates, and the video that I'm about to record on how I use AI to do my troubleshooting for me. And once you guys try what I show you in that video, I think you're going to be so happy, and it's going to save you guys thousands of dollars in the coming years on your repairs. Now, looking back at what I did today as far as the key, just know I could have done it within 2 minutes, but just like I promised, I am not a locksmith. I just do this because I didn't want to spend 300 bucks, as I bought the car for 2,500 bucks. And I'm happy to report that I fixed that check engine light using that same exact scanner. That diagnostic time alone would have been over 500 bucks. And as always, guys, make it a great day.